Welcome to our channel. The holiday season is a time filled with delicious treats, but they often come with a side of guilt. But worry not, we've got you covered with our guilt-free holiday delights, healthy and festive recipes that are worth celebrating. So let's get started. First up, we have a mouth-watering recipe for roasted butternut squash soup. It's warm, comforting, and packed with nutrients. Next, we have a twist on the classic mashed potatoes. Cauliflower mashed potatoes. They're creamy, flavorful, and a great alternative for those watching their carb intake. Now, let's talk dessert. Instead of traditional sugar cookies, try our almond flour and cinnamon cookies. They're gluten-free, fragrant, and perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without the guilt. Finally, we can't forget about drinks. Enjoy a refreshing cranberry spritzer made with fresh cranberries, lime juice, and sparkling water. It's a festive and healthier alternative to sugary cocktails. There you have it, our guilt-free holiday delights. These recipes are sure to impress your family and friends without compromising your health goals. Enjoy the festive flavors guilt-free this holiday season. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. Happy holidays!